Hello friends, welcome to Sus Stories. So from the description itself, you should have understand what is today's topic about. So today's topic is all about the recent trend, FASTag. So from December 5th, 2019 onwards, all the toll booth has enabled FASTag lines, and from January 15th, 2020 onwards, it will be a single line will be allowed for cash, and remaining all the toll lines will be FASTag. So in through this video, I will be doing an unboxing of FASTag. Before that, I will be giving a brief idea about what is FASTag, how the FASTag is working. So what we want to know means, first we want to understand how this FASTag came into the picture. Before that, we want to understand what are the three central government bodies involved in making of this FASTag. So first of all, it is NPCI. So NPCI means it's a National Payment Corporation of India. So that is formed by Government of India, and it is initiated by our Reserve Bank of India and joined with Indian Bank Association. So their primary duty is to do all the settlements, retail settlements which is happening inside India. Then next it comes the NHAI. So everyone should have know it is National Highway Authority of India. So National Highway Authority of India was formed under the Indian Parliament Act of 1988, and so they are responsible for managing development of all the highways throughout India. And there is another body called IHMCL, that means Indian Highway Management Corporation Limited. So they are set up by National Highway Authority of India. So main purpose of IHMCL is for collecting electronic tolls. So they are mainly for collecting electronic tolls. So what happened means, during the 2015 that time, Indian government asked the NHA for create a framework for doing a centralized toll collection. What happened means, National Highway Authority of India decided to give the responsibility to Indian Highway Management Corporation for implementing National Electronic Toll Collection System throughout all the toll plaza across the country. So after creating a framework, National Highway Authority and Indian Highway Management Corporation authorized NPCL, that is National Payment Corporation, to provide a solution for payment and settlement through a secure media. So with these three bodies, they come up with a solution like FASTag. And this project is started on December 3rd, 2016, and it comes under National Electronic Toll Collection System. That's a program name. So they come up with the idea called FASTag. So FASTag is an chip which is made up of RFID tag. So RFID means nothing like, it's a radio frequency identification card tag. So using this tag, when a car is passing through the toll plaza, the card will be read through the reader which is placed on the toll plaza, and the amount will be deducted from the wallet. So everyone will have a doubt how this FASTag is working when you are driving through a vehicle through a FASTag line. So it's very simple. What happens means, if you notice, you can see a FASTag reader overhead of every FASTag toll plaza. So once you are driving through your car, the FASTag pasted on your windshield will be read through the RFID receiver which is placed on the toll plaza. So what the system will be capturing all the details which is inside the RFID tag, and it will send these details to the Accurate Bank system, and it will send tag ID and vehicle class. So what is the vehicle class? National Electronic Toll Collection System, they classified the vehicle into 7 categories. So first the category is category number 4 belongs to our car, Jeep or Tata Ace, a mini light commercial vehicle where the gross weight is less than 7,500 kg. And class 5 is light commercial vehicle, and category 6 is a 3-axle vehicle. So I will be giving all the details of the class description, class details description on the description below. And after that, after reading these caption these details, the toll plaza system will send it to the acquiring bank system. And this acquiring system will send these details to the National Electronic Toll Collection System, and that system will be validating your FASTag details, and it will send a success response to the acquire system. And after that, once the acquiring bank system receive the success message, it will calculate the toll amount, and it will send a debit request to the National Electronic Toll System, and that system will send a debit request to your FASTag holder. So if you are using a FASTag of Paytm, it will send a request to the Paytm, or if you are using Axis Bank or SBI or ICICI Bank, it will send the request to the corresponding bank, and that amount will be deducted, and the user will be notified through the SMS, and the same details will be sending to the toll plaza system also. This is how this FASTag is working. Next is, many people have doubt. So how the calculation will be happening for the round trip. So for example, in the case for single trip, the toll amount is 50, and for the two-way trip, the amount is 70. So what happens means, when you are passing vehicle through the toll first time, it will capture the tag details, and it will deduct 50 rupees from your amount. And if you are passing again to the same toll booth before 24 hours, for some toll plaza it is before 12 hours. So depending on the criteria of the toll plaza, if you are passing before 24 hours or the time given by the toll plaza, it will deduct only the remaining amount. That means only it will take only 20 rupees. So 50 plus 20, 70, the round trip amount only it will take. It won't take both time, it won't take 50-50. So that's how this FASTag is working. And we can unbox my FASTag, and we can see what all the things are available on that FASTag. Okay. Coming to the pricing of a FASTag. The FASTag pricing has a 3 components. First one is the tag price, that is 100 rupees. After that, the initial security deposit, that is 250 rupees, and the initial wallet amount 150 rupees. The overall cost is 500 rupees. Now everyone is giving FASTag for free, so that 100 rupees we no need to pay, so we need to pay 400 rupees. I paid 400 rupees through Paytm, and it took me nearly 2 weeks to receive the FASTag. Now it is taking much time because in some banks it's showing out of stock, and due to the high demand. So depending on the banks, the amount will be varying. Okay, so I brought it through Paytm. And so what all the documents required to get in FASTag? So through Paytm, they are collecting only your RC book copy. So through the app, you can give the RC book, take the photo of RC book front and back, and you can upload it. If you're going through Axis Bank or HDFC Bank, any other bank, you want to give the RC book copy and also the owner's ID proof, either Aadhaar card or driving license. Okay, well, let me open this tag, and we can see what all things are available. Okay, you can see here Paytm Payment Bank, FASTag, and you can see here vehicle class 4. So as I said, vehicle class 4 means car, jeep, van, Tata Ace, mini, light commercial vehicle. Okay, so this wallet is issued by our Paytm. So once I pass through the toll plaza, from my Paytm wallet, the amount will be get detected. Okay, and we can check here. We have a vehicle number, and here we have a barcode. Okay, so let me open this FASTag. So inside FASTag we are getting a manual from Paytm, and we are getting a application form. So inside this we can see the tag. So this is a tag we need to paste on our car windshield. Let me check what all the details on the FASTag guide. So this is how we want to paste the FASTag on the our vehicle, and how to add money to the wallet. So right now government is running a cashback offer of you will get 2.5% of the total amount when you are paying through FASTag. And also the most important thing you want to keep on mind is you should maintain a sufficient balance on your wallet. So for example, the total amount is 50 rupees and your wallet having a amount of 20 rupees. When you are passing through a toll gate, the transaction will be rejected, and at last you will be end up in paying the double the amount. You through the cash you want to pay 100 rupees. So always make sure you have sufficient balance on your wallet and then pass the toll gate. So what are the advantages of the FASTag means everyone knows, no need to wait on the queue, and it will be cashless transaction. So these are the some of the advantage of FASTag. Let me show you how to paste this tag on car windshield. Now we can paste our FASTag on the car windshield. So if you are buying from Paytm, they will be providing a booklet. So in that booklet you can clearly see how we want to do. First of all, we want to confirm the vehicle number written on the back side of the FASTag, and after that we want to gently remove the tag, and we want to paste the FASTag at the center front windshield from inside. Okay, so we can do that. So first I am tearing the sticker. And now I have fixed the FASTag on my car. So like this, you want to fix your car, fix the FASTag on your car. It should be on the center portion of your front windshield. And as I said on the beginning of the video, this FASTag project came to exist with the help of three central government bodies. So first one is, you can see here, National Highway Authority of India, and after that you can see NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India, and after that we can see the logo of IHMCL, that is Indian Highways Management Corporation Limited, and also you can see here the class of the vehicle. So that belongs to 4. Car, jeep, van, and light commercial vehicles belongs to category 4. And also you can see here Paytm payment bank. So I brought through Paytm, so they have fixed their logo also. Now we can see the front view of the FASTag. So actually that's a rear view of the FASTag, but we can see from the front side of the car. Now you can see the rear side of the FASTag from the front side of the car. This is RFID tag. So this tag will be reading once we are driving through the car through the FASTag enabled toll plaza. Like this video, please subscribe our channel and keep supporting us. If you feel this video is informative, please share this video with friends and families, and also follow us on the other social media platform like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. See you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.